So hello guys, today we'll be doing this question number 21. So the question is, the osmotic pressure of a solution of NaCl is 0.10 atm and that of glucose solution is 0.20 atm. So the osmotic pressure of a solution found by mixing 1 liter of sodium chloride solution with 2 liter of the glucose solution is x into 10 raised to power minus 3x atom, where we have to find x. Okay, so let's get to the answer. So the total osmotic pressure of the solution will be osmotic pressure of NaCl into volume of NaCl plus osmotic pressure of sucrose into volume of sucrose. So the osmotic pressure of NaCl is 0.1, the volume of NaCl is 1, the osmotic pressure of sucrose is 0.2 and the volume of sucrose is 2 upon my total volume, which is 3. So after solving this, we'll get 167 as a answer. Thank you.